From Berger Roundabout to Banex Junction and then to Unity Fountain, young people surged through the streets of the nation's capital, walking for over 14 kilometers. Their demand? The scrapping of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad.
We're demanding for an end to the activities of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad. We're asking the hierarchy of the Nigerian police to scrap the Special Anti-Robbery Squad. People have asked us, what are we going to replace it with? We are saying that there are existing structures with the Nigerian police force. You know, the FCID, for example, that was originally charged with responsibility of intelligence gathering, fighting violent crimes and all that. You know, we have reformed our police to the extent that we have created a rogue monster, SARS.
Not satisfied with their efforts, the angry group walked another 4 kilometers towards the force headquarters, bearing placards with several inscriptions. At the force headquarters, they are met by armed police officers. Attempts by a senior police officer to address the crowd is rebuffed by the protesters, demanding to see the Inspector General of Police.
Can you just give me 5 minutes? Can you give me 5 minutes? Although I want to leave. Yes, sir. I think
the FCT Police Commissioner also attempts to speak to them, but his appeal falls on deaf ears.
We've heard your demands that you want the Inspector General to address you.
Yes.
But unfortunately, the Inspector General is out of town.
Okay, sir.
And I am the Commissioner of Police.
The protesters insist that they will camp in front of the Louis Edet house until the police chief comes to address them. In Kaduna, a group of young people gather at the popular NEPA roundabout in the state capital, bearing placards that say it all.
When do you want us to end? Please loud it, let us hear.
However, the police arrive at the scene to disperse them. This leads to arguments between the police and the youth.
They are coming here with sticks and they are holding guns. We have nothing. We just have our face masks and our water bottles, and they are coming here with their sticks and their guns trying to disperse us. This is the problem. Police brutality happening right here in Kaduna State right now, as you can see.
The group is vowing to continue their protest until the Special Anti-Robbery Squad is scrapped.